Hey, what's going on YouTube fam? This is LC. Thank you for tuning in to Loyal Crypto. So I have another project for you. I got in a little early. It's still early, so I think it's gonna be a little easy for you to make some money. All right, let's do it. So what's going on YouTube fam? Like I said, I have a project for you, which is easy. Sorry for the joke, but it is EasyFi, Easy Finance, and the ticker is Easy. Now, I think this is a hidden gem. I got in around 450. It's currently right now at $24.39, and it only has a market cap of 39 million. So I love projects that's under 50 million, and it also has a max supply of 10 million. Now look, I think this thing, once it gets some rocket fuel, it's no problem for this to go over $100 because of the max supply. It's so low. Even circulating supply right now is only 1.6 million. So if you like content like this, please like, subscribe, and share. I'm definitely gonna keep coming with some projects so we can become profitable. You know the slogan. And now let's get into it. All right, so we have EasyFi here. The ticker is Easy, and a current price of $22.22. Max supply of $10 million and a market cap of $36.1 million. Okay, now let's go down to the chart really quick. And as you can see, I have the 90-day chart pulled up, and we made some nice waves in here. Now this looks like, I don't know, I'm just looking really quick, and that might be, I wouldn't say a double top, that might be making a cup and handle. We might be seeing a cup and handle right here forming for Easy. We'll see where the pattern takes us. I'm gonna look at the chart in a second, but yeah, that's a nice little formation. I think that's forming. All right, so let's look at the max. So Easy came to market October 7th, 2020, and opened up at a price of $1.28. And as you can see here, this thing has been making some numbers. I really don't see Easy slowing down other than this huge dip that the whole market took. It looked like this thing has been going, it's been moving. And we do understand that Easy is a DeFi project, and you also have some yield farming aspects in there as well. Now let's go to Easy Network and take a look. Now, EasyFi is ranked 447th on CoinGecko, but yeah, this project, I think this thing has the bones to go. I think I've been looking at this project since $4.50. I have written down here in my book. Now, I didn't pull the trigger then, but I pulled it a little under $10, so I'm not that much of a genius, but I think a lot of these projects that have good bones, you can put your money on it and sit. All right, so EasyFi, Layer 2 DeFi. It's a lending protocol for digital assets. Now you scroll down, you have Reimagined DeFi, real catalyst for adoption of DeFi. EasyFi is a protocol built with a vision to solve some of the inherent challenges faced by Gen 1 DeFi solutions with respect to the transaction speed and costs, which are a bottleneck for DeFi operations at scale. All right, and you have here, they have MATIC as example, Tether, USD, right? And product, secure protocol to cover up all needs. Now it has micro lending, under collateralized loans, credit delegation, and credit default swaps. So what is micro lending? There are billions of people in emerging economies who are working only because of daily time-bound loans of small value. However, these people are exploited by exorbitant interest rates by local financiers. Microloans from EasyFi are built for the very purpose of enabling people to draw upon small loans quickly for various purposes, be it their small business, medical emergency, or early salary, in case of various territories where salaries are paid in crypto. So microlending, that's going to create a whole new space of what we're currently dealing with in the financial system. This thing can actually get you a loan and get rid of some of these horrible payday lenders and putting people in worse situations than they started off in, okay? So this can actually eliminate payday loans, and I hope it does because crypto is trying to create a better world, and that will be a start. So under collateralized loans. Under-collateralized loans are going to be one of the most important innovation of the lending industry to enable strong adoption and trust in decentralized lending. Connected with TrustScore, a decentralized rating mechanism built by CoinFox, EasyFi will enable the community to access billions in capital that can be allocated efficiently. I like the sound of that. All right, credit delegation. EasyFi will enable credit delegation as one of its core products for more trust-based loans where both parties either know each other or accept the level of risk by deciding upon the trust score of the borrower. Whoa, I see a huge opportunity here. I mean, just what DeFi is doing. They're trying to create a space where the blockchain will actually take a trustless system and you don't have to even know the other person on the other side. This is its own credit score. You can be a lender and lend money out to people that need it, and you can trust that they're gonna give you your money back based off this credit delegation. Okay, now I think this is a great idea. People are gonna make some money off this one, I tell you. All right, credit default swaps. CDS, which brings insurance to DeFi, are also going to be an important feature of the protocol, enabling suppliers of the loans, especially of a certain size, to be able to convert these loans into tradable instruments and sell them to institutional customers who are willing to cover the risk. This enables a simple form of credit insurance of various categories of loans issued on the protocol. Oh man, so yeah, I definitely think this is dope. I think this is going to create a whole new financial instrument within itself. This one project alone can do some numbers based off the multiple things that they're doing between lending, credit, and collateralized loans. So cheaper, faster, and higher liquidity with EasyFi. Now you're gonna have low cost transactions, real world integration, and a deeper liquidity pool. I like the sound of that. You guys can read the rest of this, so I'll link this in the description. Oh man, hold on, one second. I gotta get to the yield farming. Earn Easy token, yield farming. Easy will enable users to farm its native protocol token Easy by interacting with the protocol. Anyone can farm Easy tokens when they interact with the platform. Farm tokens are distributed on a daily basis to the users based on their interaction contribution with the protocol. Oh man, we're gonna have to find out how to interact with this protocol. Yeah, I need to get me some farming in Easy, boy. Dual farming with native staking. EasyFi is one of the first DeFi protocols built on MATIC blockchain. Hence, MATIC is supporting the EFI project community by offering a native staking offering wherein, in addition to Easy tokens, users can also farm MATIC tokens by staking their farm Easy tokens. Oh boy, let's go. So I did a video on MATIC, and I actually provided liquidity on QuickSwap with the MATIC ETH pair. And I read the article on MATIC that basically said to farm Easy using the MATIC platform. So I'm gonna link that video in the description as well, because yeah, we can get to Easy by using one of the top projects that I think is gonna be one of the top projects on Ethereum in the end, and that is MATIC. Now let's go to the charts. All right, now I got the Easy pair on Dex Tools, and let me get out to a 2-hour chart. I was chilling in the 30. Okay, so yeah. Like I said earlier, I think I'm speculating that we might be seeing a cup and handle here. Now, if we're seeing a cup and handle, anyone that does a little technical analysis, we understand that cup and handles are very, very bullish patterns. So let's see here. So it's a little sloppy. It didn't go as far up as this top here. Scrolling a little bit. But it's a possibility that we might be seeing something form. Let me get my brush here, because I'm seeing something like this right now. That can be our possible handle to the cup that I was just seeing. Let me draw it out and use my tool. I was seeing something like this, right? But this point is a lot higher than this point. It definitely was a double top. That's why we're seeing a dip right now, and a double top is a bearish pattern. But if the double top forms into something else, like I was seeing this possible cup and handle, then yeah, we can be in blast off zone. So let's see what happens. But let me erase this and get to what I actually see on the chart. Okay, so we seen Easy make a massive move. And if I draw my fib starting from January 21st, where I seen the bottom of the move and go up to this point here, what I see is, it looked like we made a nice little pullback. So we went out to the 618, we came down to the 618 and bounced. Now it looked like it almost went as far down as our 702. Let me just put a nice white baseline there for us so we can measure it. All right, so that's our 702. And it looked like it bounced. And now if you watch any of my technical analysis videos, I explain that when I say bounce, it doesn't have to hit perfectly. The markets don't move like it's a concrete wall. When you see a support line, it bounces as a spring. So you like to see these support lines, use them as a spring. It's like it's bouncing off a rubber band, okay? And what I see here is it used this support line to spring it off. It almost broke through here on this nice little wick, and then it came down again and it bounced and sprung off again. Okay, so that is showing nice support there. And what I see now is we can possibly get, I mean, this is pure speculation, but we can possibly get another bounce here on our 382, and I say this live because it's going through our 382 right now. Do I have any indicators up? No, I do not. Let me get some indicators up. Okay, so I have my EMA in here. I like using a 50 EMA, honestly. So look at this, and this is why I like using a 50 EMA. So what I'm seeing here is it can possibly catch this. So again, I'm doing this live right now. I'm guessing it's going to be a recording for you, but the nice friendly EMA, we can actually use this as a nice support level. Now, I'm not sure if it's going to, but what I typically like to see with my 50 EMA is it to bounce off of there, and it's showing that it's still in a bullish formation. Now, if it shoots way through this, it's looking like to me that it's entering a bearish formation, but Easy is a great project. Even if it was to be bearish as of right now, I will wait to see where it stables off and then buy in, because I think this thing is going to do some numbers this bull season. So if you're looking to get in Easy, I would see if it's going to bounce off this 50 EMA or possibly shoot past the 50 EMA and shoot past our 382 and possibly find support at the 50% retracement. Okay, so that is just some quick little tips I got for you there. I think this thing, I mean, look at it. One second. So just as my speculating mind, right, my trading mind, if I see my 50 EMA, which is our baseline, this close to our 382, this price action is showing me that is bullish. It's three signs basically showing. The price action is showing me that it's bullish from this 2-hour chart. Okay, this 2-hour chart is showing a very bullish pattern. Now, the 382, if it bounces off the 382 after it takes a break at the massive run, I have no problem with that. It's getting some air, it's coming up for oxygen, and then it's going to go back in a dive. Okay, now our 50 EMA is right next to our 382. I mean, man, that just showing me three signs right there within itself that this thing is still bullish, okay? And that's just looking at the chart. Now, let me look at our indicators and see what else is telling me. So when I'm on DEX tools, I'm using the MACD. I'm not using my other trend indicator. And what it's telling me here is telling me that this is our zero line. And as you can see, this is basically showing some bull action here with that chart. And what it's doing now it's showing a bearish motion. I have no problem about that because it looked like it's just taking a break, especially, I mean, if it's doing this a cup and handle pattern, I mean, it's just finishing out the pattern, right? But other than that, if I see something like this, that's a channel, right? I'm gonna go down to the 30-minute chart so you can see it a little more clearly. But when I see a channel moving like this, that is a bull flag, okay? And I'm gonna make the channel a little better. I'm just doing a quick little illustration. But as of right now, this is showing me that yes, we are going into a nice small bearish pattern that gives you great signs to buy, because I only buy on dips. So I'm not scared when things move downward at all. Now let's look at our RSI. And what our RSI is showing us, put my 50 line in there. So what our RSI is showing us, that it hit overbought territory. Now, when it hits overbought territory 3 times, this is basically showing you that it wants to go back into its range. It's okay if it want to go back into its range. Its range is its home. All this purple area here, I'm gonna delete this, sorry. All that area is a trading zone. It came out of that perfectly fine. That means you can wait for it to come back within the zone to now take the trade if you're looking at easy. Now it has, what it's also showing me is it has went under our 50 line. When it goes under our 50 line, it's a possibility that it's going into a bearish pattern, or it's taking a quick break. It may take a dip here and then come back out, and if it consolidates on this line especially, man, this is all day for me to wake up, brush my teeth, wash my face, then get to look at the charts. And if I see some sideways action trading on this 50, I'm buying. I mean, that's just how I feel about projects that I'm really waiting to get into. So if anyone's waiting to get into this, I will wait to see if it stables off on our 50 line on the RSI. And again, from what the chart is showing me, if we get a nice bounce off the 382, we're not sure yet. We have to wait till the candle close. But if it gets a nice bounce off this 382 and the EMA catches it, I think that's a strong buy, dog. I ain't gonna lie to you. But yeah, someone like me that feels really bullish on easy, I just wait for buying opportunity. So we have to wait to see a bounce here first, and we have to wait to see if this 382 catches it as well, because it can easily, I mean, crypto loves the 50% retracement. It can easily go down to this 50 line and you can get in at a better price. So that wraps up my overview on easy. I hope you enjoyed. Now, if you like content like this, again, please like, subscribe, and share. I'm gonna keep coming to you with some gems, or at least what I think are gems, so we can become profitable, so your portfolio can get fat, right? So if you have any comments that you want to let me know about, any other projects or any questions on easy, definitely comment down below. I reply to all comments. So yeah, like always, I'm gonna keep trying to find ways for this community to make some profit. And until next time, one. Hey, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So before you go, one of the things I wanted to let you know about is token metrics. Now, I use token metrics to help me find winning projects, and what I built this community around is helping people find new ways to make money, okay? And I feel like token metrics is gonna help you become profitable in your portfolios. Now, what token metrics does is use artificial intelligence and machine learning to rank different cryptocurrencies and make sure you're getting the best for your money, okay? Now, what they do here is they look at the actual market cap rankings, they look at the code reviews, and they give you a quant grade based off what they learned through their artificial intelligence program and the machine learning that they leverage to make sure you're getting the best projects in your portfolios. They also have a toggle here to show if you're looking at an investment from a trader perspective or an investor perspective, okay? So it'll actually give you different ranked projects based off of how you're treating your portfolios. It'll show you top projects if you're a long-term investor and what you should invest in immediately, or if you're a trader, what will be the best bets for you to hold within a month span or for a quarterly or yearly span. So I definitely think this is a great tool, and it cuts down that learning curve to make sure you're gaining profit immediately. So check out the links below, and you can sign up for a trial. It'll give you 7 days to check out what they do here, and you can leverage some of their AI and machine learning, and you can cancel before the trial period is over. So for the different plans, they have a holder plan, investor plan, and professional plan. And as you can see, you can have a 7-day trial for the holder plan for only $199 and an investor plan for $499. You can cancel before the 7-day trial, or let's say if you wanted to start off with the investor plan for $499, and you can always switch over to the holder plan for $29.99 a month before that 7-day trial is over. So take a look at token metrics. I believe this will be a great service that you're doing yourself if you want to be a crypto millionaire, or at least a crypto six-figure.